Hey, it's Sam. So this is successful business owner tip number 8. So stick around. On my channel, I always release videos on digital marketing and passive income strategies, so consider subscribing. Also, if you want, you can click on the link below to get access to my recession-proof business model that'll teach you how to build an online business from the ground up. So don't worry if you have zero experience, because you'll get the best training that will make you the top marketer. Great, let's get to the content. So when it comes to owning your own business or starting a brand new business by yourself, then you know the woos of that. You know the woos of opening a business, right? You know the woos of managing a business by yourself. It might be exciting at first, but then when you actually do it for at least a month or two into it, it's going to be stressful. It's going to take time, and it's going to take a lot of effort, and also it's going to take a huge chunk of your social life just for developing everything that's inside your own back office, as well as your front office, where you tell people what you actually do. And when you actually finish doing that, building your whole business set up, the first month or two you spent learning and building and really crafting your business, it can get stressful. And getting your first client that's not your family or friend, that can be really hard too. And that's also because you've been wearing so many hats. You've been your own accountant, and you made sure you're recording every single penny you spent, as well your own researcher, looking for the best way to conduct your business. And also your marketing. You're learning how to market things, right? You're learning how to budget for marketing. You're learning where to market. You're learning that you need to learn new keywords to put on Google for your search engine optimization, right? Things like that. But you still haven't gotten your first sale. You still haven't been able to successfully market outside your family and friends. And that's okay, because as an entrepreneur, you need to know that everyone has their own timeline. Not everyone is ready to purchase whatever they need. And you'll just have to keep on learning how you can appeal to people with the pain points, learning the best way to market your business, and learning how to actually build that relationship with your first customer, right? And as a customer, if it's not raining, then I might not want to buy your umbrella that you're selling. Or I'm not hungry at this time because it's a 3 p.m. I just had lunch. The thing is, you gotta know how you can appeal to people that are within your power. Assume that you're an expert at what you're marketing and what you're selling. Then you should know who your audience is, right? Now, to do so, you got to create your ideal customer avatar. And you could learn how to do that by clicking this link up here. I teach you how to create a customer avatar from scratch, learning who to market to and how you can market to them, what pain points they have, and really push their pain points to the point where they need your solution, your product as the solution. And if you don't know what a pain point is simply a problem that your customer wants to solve. So I hope that tip was valuable and enjoyable. If it was, please leave a comment down below. And if you want to learn how to build your own affiliate marketing business from the ground up, whether you're new or you failed before, be sure to click the link down below. You'll be able to opt into a free 4-day video training series where you'll learn in detail what affiliate marketing is and how it can greatly benefit you compared to other business models. Because affiliate marketing has a low startup cost, and there is no ceiling to how much you can make a month. That depends on you and how much effort and work you can put into it. Or in my words, BST, blood, sweat, and tears. So with that said, I'll see you on the other side. Thank you for joining me in this session. I hope you learned some valuable tips and tricks to begin your affiliate marketing career. If you want to find out more about doing affiliate marketing the right way, consider subscribing to the channel. Like the video if you liked it, and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video. For more tips, be sure to subscribe into my email list and get the 8-step affiliate marketing mastery guide for free. And I'll see you on the other side.